Welcome viewers, myself Mr. S.P. Udgave, working as an Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering in Sharad Institute of Technology, College of Engineering. In our college, numbers of innovation centers to help the students for reduce the gap between the industry and institute. One of them important innovation center initiated by Tata Technology Limited called as a Ready Engineer program for mechanical students. So today in this video we are going to discuss the some points that is related with the Ready Engineer program. So Tata Technology summarizes the necessities of an industry ready engineer and the need of qualities in students. Basically, the student should know the engineering fundamentals and concepts, engineering application, contemporary technologies. Also, they should have the soft skills and personality traits. They should clear the employability assessment for industry, and the solution it is provided by the Tata Technology Limited through the Ready Engineer program, and the through the that solution that is through the Ready Engineer program is Tata Technologies CSR initiative to make the engineering graduates industry ready. An objective of Tata Technology to make the engineers industry ready by training them on engineering fundamentals and concept, applications and contemporary technologies and soft skills to enhance their awareness, expand their industry connect and in process increase their employability. Now, this program it is conducted in our college, Sharad Institute of Technology. In second year, enrollment in third semester, and numbers of AMPI Aspiring Minds Personality Inventory test conducted for the students, and report is given to each and every student. In fourth semester, RE Fundamental Soft Skills and Engineering Basics are conducted through the volunteering activity and CSR activity, and 80 numbers of students and mid evaluation and shortlisting through the aptitude test, and 50 numbers students are shortlisted in fifth semester in third year. And fifth semester we are going to conduct the automotive design for third year students, and MCAT test and report generated that is given to each and every student. RE advanced and employability skills and core technology courses are conducted. And finally, in sixth semester of third year, Ready Engineer tests conducted and certificates are provided. That Tata Technology provided the certified, that is a Ready Engineer certificate to the students. Now, program flow chart, the Ready Engineer program address the necessities, the basic knowledge required for the students through the NPTEL courses, engineering fundamentals and concept. They provide the scholarships. I get it Tata Technology online e-learning module that will provide the engineering application, contemporary technologies and the soft skills and personality traits through the employability assessment that is conducted with the help of aspiring minds. Now, program flow charts of Tata Technology. In phase 1 enrollment, online enrollment it is done. Phase 2 implementation, numbers of activities are conducted, and phase 3 assessment and certification. Program flow chart, that is a phase 1 enrollment starts in second year mechanical engineering, that is a third semester. Numbers of seats limited for enrollment are 80 numbers per colleges, and the Tata Technology shall provide that is a broad guidelines for shortlisting the students as per the merit and the interest of students. College shall that is a shortlist the students for enrollment. Shortlisted students shall register on Ready Engineer exclusive portal within a set deadline. Every student get the unique registration ID number shall be allocated. In phase 2 implementation, through the employability assessment part 1, that is a personality inventory test, aspiring minds conducted post enrollment stage for all the 80 shortlisted students, undertaking understanding the how a candidate will behave in various situations can determine his or her success performing a specific roles Aspiring Minds Personality Inventory provides the insight of candidates' personality so that they can have a better understanding of their productivity, performance, and trainability. Students are further advised to improve upon their weak areas with the help of various reference training links provided through the e-learning module. Second phase, that is a implementation employability test for the second year and third year, that is a common aptitude test, shall be conducted for all shortlisted 50 students in third year in semester 5th. MCAT is a multidimensional adaptive instrument that measures the knowledge, skills, and personality required for the multiple job roles. MCAT covers four broad employability skills. Detailed scorecard and individual reports shall be provided to each student through the mail, and students are further advised to improve upon their weak areas with, with the help of various reference training links are provided. Program, that is the third year, that is the Tata Technology, that is the exclusive knowledge platform for mechanical students, over 200 courses in design domain, and the encourages students to complete the courses. Each topic shall provide with an assessment to a test and the knowledge gained by the students through a numbers of softwares like Fusion 360, Inventor, Naviverse, Rivet, Showcase, Simulation, AutoCAD, CATIA, SolidWorks, SolidEdge, ProE, Creo, and numbers of softwares online platform it is provided to the students. They learn all the softwares, and also the third year students, that is a also get the knowledge of automotive part 1 through the different modules, e-learning modules. First, that is the styling, design development, computer aided engineering, formability, die design, fixture design, through the expertise of Tata Technology. And finally, that is a assessment and certification final examination shall be conducted at the end of the sixth semester, which will cover the course and the soft skills. Readiness certificates Tata Technology provide to each and every student. Also, Tata Technology conduct the Ready Engineer Social Responsibility Campaign. The Tata Technology encourages the Ready Engineers students to take up the volunteering activity during their courses like the tree plantation, blood donation camp, Swachhata Abhiyan, and many more. And also they get participant certificates or volunteering certificate. Read in their map, 39 colleges, 6 clusters, 2 states. Tata Technology work out in 2 states. That is with the one of them, our college, Sharad Institute of Technology in Kolhapur cluster. Execution, hub and a spoke model. Numbers of spokes in numbers of colleges connected to the hub college, and numbers of hub college that is connected to the Tata Technology. They control the hub colleges and they give the information through the hub colleges to the numbers of colleges. Tata Technology Ready Engineer Program Activity Report from the Sharad Institute of Technology from 2015-16 to the 2019-20 numbers of activities conducted, and the more than 700 plus students are benefited in this course. Some of the glimpses, that is a program activity, that is a tree plantation volunteering activity campaign through the Tata Engineer, Tata Ready Engineer, and the program activity certification course, and last year, that is a Tata RE batch 2018-19. Thank you.